that, but the Apple stores have moved so far left of what they used to be. Anyway, are we ready? You're rolling. I know you are. I grew up in, I always tell people I grew up in LA, Lower Alabama, make that joke to kind of break the ice. I was raised in Enterprise, Alabama, home of the boll weevil, and I was there for 18 years. I went to the University of Alabama at Birmingham, UAB. I was there as a mascot for about 5 years, and after my time at UAB, I was really, while I was at UAB, I was drawn to Apple products and everything like that. I did video editing a little bit there and was just enthralled with how easy they were to use. So I moved to the local Apple store here in Birmingham, Alabama, and worked there for 3 years. Then after that, I moved to a different web design company where I did support, and I owned the support department for 2 years. And most recently, I moved to Iron Tribe Fitness, where I was doing a lot of marketing, project management, and training, directing, and things like that. So it's been a wild ride to get here, but it's really exciting because all of the kind of places I've been have each taught me a little bit of a different piece that I've already been able to apply in my time here at Zeekee. So growing up, I always said I want to be a podiatrist because I was told they make a lot of money because that's what everybody wants to do and things like that. So, but when I actually got to college, I was really enthralled with technology and computers and things like that. And so initially I started out in engineering, and then I moved to computer science and moved to all of these different things. But as I was moving through college, the things that kind of really caught my eye were communications and interpersonal interactions and things like that. So ultimately I studied psychology and with a minor in mass communications, and that combination right there has served me well throughout all the positions I've had, but particularly here at Zeekee. You know, to be able to really speak the language of the client and the language of the programmers and of the designers, and really kind of bridge the gap to create really cool websites and make really cool things happen. So after hours, Daniel can be found gallivanting around Birmingham with his beautiful wife, Sherry Ross, and we tend to document our journeys and travels around the town through our Twitter accounts, our Facebook accounts. For years, I've been doing social media. That's kind of a quote-unquote hobby of mine. Consulting with it in multiple facets and just being a part of it. I always tell people I was doing podcasting before it was in iTunes, and a lot of people were like, podcasting was ever not in iTunes? Yes, it really wasn't. But most notably, people know me as Social Media Birmingham because I have the Twitter handle, the Instagram handle, the Facebook handle of @SocialMediaBham, and you know, I've used that to really build my network, connect with a lot of really cool people out there, and just, you know, make not just those online connections, but take those online connections offline and meet people, and in some cases even really, you know, show them the city of Birmingham and the things that Birmingham has to offer. So this first week at Zeekee has been quite an experience, and I'm loving it so far. Really gotten a lot of great interactions with the people here. All the people here, you know, it's kind of cliche to say, but they're all really passionate about the things that they do. And they fight really hard, you know, for the things that they do. Whether you have a developer who, you know, needs to take a little bit extra time to install something to get it right, or a designer who wants to make a little bit of an extra tweak to that comp to just get it right. So really working with passionate people has been so amazing. Not that I haven't at my previous positions, but it's just like it's reinvigorating to see it happening here at Zeekee. So I'm really excited because I'm having some amazing conversations with people and help kind of bridging, you know, the communication between departments, and really starting to see, you know, some of the fruit of, you know, just the extra communication that's been happening here between departments, and we're, you know, rocking on some really cool things. So I'm pumped and I'm excited.